Tonight, as COVID numbers skyrocket, we hear from Billings hospital teams now preparing for the worst. Hospital beds are nearing capacity as the county's infectious rate is already threatening to hit the threshold to start shutting down local bars and restaurants. Tonight, another urgent plea from health officials and also from business owners for people to do their part to prevent the spread. The Billings Chamber held a virtual town hall this afternoon where a lot of details came out. Q2's Russ Riesinger joins us now with more. Russ.
Well, Janelle, I believe this was probably the most sobering assessment yet of just how serious the situation is becoming and what could lie ahead in coming weeks right here in Yellowstone County. Business leaders got an update from County Health Officer John Felton, Billings Clinic CEO Scott Elner, and others as they talked about steps that they say must be taken and now to ensure the health of both people and businesses. The way we're headed right now with the numbers, businesses could very well be forced to reduce capacity to 50%, not the 25% Felton said earlier this week. But even that would be devastating. The situation's also becoming dire for our hospitals. Take a listen to some of what was said.
There's so many businesses that we do business with that if we're not in business, they're out of business as well. So we really got to do our part to keep things together because we can't afford to go backwards. There's no programs left, run out of time, run out of money. And I know right now there's going to be a lot of restaurants that aren't going to make it to the end of the year under the 75%. So we go down to 50, we go down to 25, they're not going to make it.
I think until you've had a loved one, family member, friend, or yourself go through this, you don't realize how bad it is. It's about as serious, if not worse, than what we saw with the HIV crisis back in the 80s. And people just don't know how to react. People are scared. Our health caregivers are scared. They're worried that they may contract the virus.
Dr. Elner says they're expecting 150 to 200 more hospitalizations in the next 2 to 4 weeks if things keep going like they have. They've even ordered what's known as a reefer truck. That's a refrigerator truck where bodies are stored. So it kind of gives you an idea of just how serious this is all becoming. The Chamber is asking all businesses to take a pledge to have as many employees as possible work from home, something we are doing here at Q2 in order to try and lessen the spread. About 50% of all cases do come from the workplace. Janelle?
All right. Thanks so much, Russ.